My name is Mark Darley. I'm the founder and owner of All Angels Vineyards in Berkshire. Our experience of frost damage has varied over the years, but certainly when we had no frost protection, we had a really bad year. The crop, when we only picked the very best grapes, was approximately 1/7 of our normal production, so it can be quite vicious. Before we installed Frolit, we used the following forms of protection. We used traditional method of candles. We also had what are called frost guards, which are basically propane burners that kick in, pump out a lot of hot air and rotate. And then in one of the sites we have a frost fan as well. Installing the tubes was incredibly easy. I mean, it took a couple of us probably about half a day or so to clip the tubes onto the fruiting wires. Far easier than I was expecting. As regards my views of the system and the results, the one word I'd use is transformational. It really made my life so much easier. You know exactly when the system is on, it's incredibly easy, it's automated, and it provided absolute protection over the 2 to 3 nights when we did have frost this year. It's difficult to choose just the one advantage, because I think there were 2 and more advantages to the Frolit system. But for me, it really was a case of it was so easy to install, so easy to use, and you know when it's working. It lights up. Absolutely incredible. The other thing which I think is superb is the range of cover that it provides down to -6, which is again superb. As to whether I would recommend Frolit, I have already been heavily recommending Frolit to anybody that knows me, because it just does make your life so much easier and it provides such good protection. We've actually had some people from another local vineyard down here today to meet the team, to discuss it, and they too went away very impressed by what they'd seen. If I had to summarise Frolit in one sentence, I'd say it was a transformational system that provides you with security in your vineyard and mental stability.